Hello, it's me again. And if you see my hair right now, I have it sitting on top of my head because I am setting it because I'm going to try one of the hardest hairstyles there is, which is the bouffant hair. So I'm gonna start with the Tarte Shape Tape. And I'm gonna just kind of prime my eyes. Okay, so I just primed my lids with my Tarte Shape Tape, and I used the color Light Medium Honey. Love it. And I forgot to mention earlier, I've already obviously colored or did my brows with the brow definer from Anastasia Beverly Hills, and I use the color dark brown because I like my eyebrows dark. I don't know why I'm singing everything today. I think it's because I'm nervous about doing this for whatever reason. I don't know why. Also, like, I know this sounds crazy, but I really enjoy doing these videos. They make me feel like a little bit more normal in times like these, because right now I haven't really been doing much, and I have been really passing the time doing the most random stuff. And with the makeup, I'm gonna use the same palette as I used the other day because I just haven't used it that much because I'm not wearing makeup a lot. And also, I'm not really wearing makeup when I'm not doing these videos. So please don't think that I'm waking up every day doing my makeup, because I'm not. I do makeup twice a week, and for the other 5 days, I'm not wearing makeup. And I'm loving it. And like I said in my last video, my skin actually looks really good. It's really appreciating me not doing my makeup. But anyways, I'm gonna stop talking. I'm using the Lolita Porvita palette again. I'm gonna use more of like the middle colors, which are the kind of brown colors. So why am I so out of breath? I'm just talking. I go in with the color Amorada. It's like a really pretty, like, light rosy beige color. And I'm gonna go in. I'm gonna go in with the same brush, which is the E36 from Morphe. And I'm gonna go in with the Juanita color, which is this really nice brown. Okay, so now I'm gonna go in with the color Amorcito, and it's like this really pretty color. Right there. I'm trying to get closer in my videos so you guys can actually see what I'm doing. Smudge that. All right. Yeah, that looks like a mess, but okay, whatever. Okay, so I'm gonna go back in with the E17 brush from Morphe again. And I'm gonna use those same colors because I just need to go back and create that dimension. I'm gonna go in with Juanita again. I just needed that black to create more like darkness at my cut crease. I'm gonna go in with Sylvia, which is this kind of really beautiful peachy color. And I'm gonna do that on the inner corner. And I am not wiping off my brush at all, because I'm just trying to blend everything out. Bringing that up a little bit. Okay, that looks maybe a little bit better. Okay, so now I'm going to cheat. And I'm going to kind of clean this up with a wet wipe. And I'm following the line of my brow bone on the top. Okay, so this is what we have now, and I'm gonna go in with some concealer again and just dot my lid. And I'm gonna also do my above this cut crease as well. This is like seriously freaking me out. Okay, I think that's good for now. And I'm gonna do Sylvia again, and I'm gonna kind of dust just right in my crevice right here, and it's called Sales. This is white right here. Okay, so now that I've gotten that done, I'm gonna go over with a tiny angled and going back into that same black color, Fashionista. And I'm gonna wet my brush with the same dewy set. I'm gonna kind of wing that out just a little bit for now. Okay, I'm back. This is very complicated. I definitely don't think this is a beginner's look, but I'm still going through it. I'm really nervous about doing this eyeliner because it's basically gonna create the whole shape. And you have to have a very steady hand to do this, period. Like, this is probably, this is expert level. And like, and this is my first time doing this, so let me just say that I just don't feel like I'm doing this right. But we're doing this. Okay, there's one eye. Whew. Okay, one eye down. No pressure, but we're gonna do this eye now with liquid liner. No pressure. No pressure. Oh my God. Praise you, Jesus, I did it. And I'm gonna go in to my inner corner just a little bit. Okay, that looks a little more accurate. Okay, so now I'm gonna do mascara, and I'm gonna go in with what I have been using, the Milk Makeup Kush Mascara. I'm just gonna do my upper lid with this and the Lash Princess waterproof mascara on the bottom, excuse me. Okay, but anyway, I put Shape Tape on, and then I'm gonna use my regular Clinique foundation, and I'm using the color Nutty, and I'm just gonna do it all around the outsides of my face and blend it into my Tarte Shape Tape. It blends out really well. I like to mix foundations, and then I'm also, because I'm psychotic, I'm gonna do another foundation over that to just kind of smooth and blend it out and create a little bit of a dewy appearance. Okay, and now I'm gonna do blush and highlight. For my highlight today, I'm gonna do, I think I'm gonna do the regular stuff that I've been doing, which is the Bretman Rock Wet and Wild highlight. And I'm gonna use my favorite highlight brush, which I don't even know if it's meant for highlight or not, but that's what I do. It's the Morphe M438. The Morphe R10 brush. This stuff smells so freaking good. It smells like summertime. It's like the best, like, inexpensive blush ever. I'm gonna do my nose just like a little bit. And I'm going to use the Cheerleaders Mini Bronze Squad in the color Hula, like this. The Kat Von D brush, the 20 brush, that's supposed to be for setting, but I'm using it for contour. I love this brush. I just got it a few weeks ago. I feel very Amy Winehouse right now. Oh, and I can't forget my lashes. Okay, so I'm going to do lashes next. Like, lashes underneath. So my plan is I'm gonna cut this lash into pieces and place the lashes underneath my bottom lash to create a look, the look with these tiny scissors. So, and I'm also gonna use the Duo glue, which I really do feel like is the best eyelash glue there is. It comes out white and it dries clear. Okay. That's so long. I Can't believe how long that is. Okay. I feel like that needs to be cut. I just realized I was putting them on the wrong way. Because I'm always used to doing fake eyelashes this way. Okay, it's me again. My camera cut out. It like got overheated, so I'm just steadily working over here on my lashes. It's taking a long time, but no surprise there. But yeah, this is what we have so far. Bottom row looks a little wonky. Wow. This is what happens when you don't work for 3-4 weeks or however long it's been now. What is going on with my eyebrow? Okay. Alright. We're gonna drop her down and secure her in place. I'm gonna let that dry for just a minute. I'm gonna put on a little bit more blush too. A little bit of this on. It's Boy Bye by Kylie Cosmetics. Okay, I'm gonna do that, and then I'm gonna go over with some NYX Candy Slick in the color Birthday Sprinkles. Oh, what do y'all think? That's the makeup. Now I'm gonna do some hair. This with my usual, which is the Hangover Too Faced spray. And I'll be back to do hair. Okay, I'm back. And we're gonna do... Trying to get this clear. We're gonna do some hair now. Okay, so first take this off, but I am gonna use this later. And I'm gonna take my hair down. I used a bobby pin right here, but I'm probably gonna speed this up, to be honest. Yeah, well, I don't know about this hair and makeup, but you know what? At least I tried. I went outside my comfort zone today, and I strongly hope and suggest that you guys will do more stuff like this. Just step outside your comfort zone, because nothing ever grows in the comfort zone. You gotta step outside of it, and that's how you grow. But I hope you guys enjoyed this, and I'll catch you next time. Bye.